Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Muhaymin Gamal. Together with me is Iti Sumilalaw, and we are reporting about the theory of personal constructs ni George Kelly. So before I will start my report, magkakaroon muna tayo ng small activity. Familiar siguro kayo doon sa train dilemma, guys, no? Itong train dilemma, may lalaki na kailangan niyang isave yung 5 or yung 1. So I want you to pause this video and magkakaroon kayo ng sariling explanation or choice, and then after you made a choice, then explain why you made that choice, no? So nakapili na ba ang lahat? Magkakaroon ako ng sariling explanation, no, patungkol sa aking personal choice and bakit ko pinili yung choice na yon. So basically, yung gusto kong piliin dito ay yung 5 because I think when you save 5, mas better, di ba? Yung ganitong reasoning is actually an example of personal construct. So, skip muna natin to. Proceed tayo agad dun sa personal construct. So, yung personal construct, meaning, from the word itself, constructs, you are actually constructing your own personal ideas, theories, in explaining events, no? Kung paano mo nakikita yung bagay-bagay at paano mo i-explain yung mga bagay-bagay na yun ay ang tawag doon ay personal construct. Proceed tayo sa constructive alternativism. So, ang meaning ng constructive alternativism from the word itself, alternative, you are actually making an alternative personal constructs. For example, yung kanina na perspective na sinabi ko na isa-save ko yung 5, that's my personal construct. Now, to make an alternative, no, what if i-save ko yung 1? No, malay mo, yun pala yung mahal ko sa buhay. So, isi-save ko yung 1 over the 5 kasi wala namang paki yung 5 sa akin. O di kaya hindi ko na lang ipupull yung lever, bakit ba ako mamimili, di ba? Ganun yung idea ng constructive alternativism, guys, no? So balikan natin yung meta theory ni George Kelly, no? Basically it means, no, theory about theories, no? Ang daming theories na ginagawa natin. Then, i-explain pa natin yung ibang theories with another theories and another theories. For example, pag nag-aral ka ng mabuti, kakaroon ka ng sarili mong trabaho. Pag nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong trabaho, mabibili mo gusto mo. Pag mabibili mo gusto mo, pwede ka bubuo ng pamilya. Pag nakabuo ka ng pamilya, kakaroon ka ng support system. Pag nagkaroon ka ng support system, mas malaki ang chance of survival mo. So, yung mga ganong example, ang daming theories dun, di ba? Una-una, sa pinasok mo na theory, kanina sa example ko, no? Pag nag-aral ka mabuti, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong trabaho. That's one theory. Pag nagkatrabaho ka, bibili mo gusto mo. That's another theory. So, ang dami yung theory. Ganun lang yung explanation ng meta theory, guys. So, ang person as a scientist, basically, no, ini-explain lang dito na we act as scientists, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng sarili natin personal construct. And we test, that personal construct. After we test the personal construct, magkakaroon ng results. And from that results, magkakaroon tayo ng interpretation of our results. No, yun lang ibig sabihin ng scientist, no? Now, proceed tayo sa scientist as a person. Sa scientist as a person, I explained dito ni George Kelly na tayo mga scientists, hindi tayo perfect. Tao lang din tayo. Meaning, no, nakikritik natin yung personal constructs ng iba. For example, itong mga theories ng past psychologists na nakilala natin, sila Sigmund Freud, Karen Horney, Albert Bandura, Carl Jung, Carl Rogers, and everything. May sarili-sarili silang personal constructs at sometimes hindi tayo nag-agree doon sa personal constructs nila. So that makes them as a person. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng scientist as a person dito ni George Kelly. So, ipapasok na natin dito yung basic postulate. So ano nga ba yung basic postulate? Ang meaning nito, no, the way we construct our own personal theories, no, doon natin nagagawa yung behavior. So, for example, kapag sasali ako ng contest at alam ko na hindi ako mananalo, what is my behavior? Of course, hindi ako sasali. Kasi ba't pa ako sasali kung alam kong matatalo ako? That's the idea of basic postulate. So, proceed tayo sa next reporter.